Here are 5 tips I want to share with you as you begin your pulmonary rehab program so you can get the most out of it. Number 1, have a goal. Ask yourself, why do you want to get better? Because the pulmonary rehab program is a longer program and you want to have a good purpose so you can thrive through it and stay persistent. So some people want to get a better life, some people want to enjoy time with their grandkids, or someone wants to go out for a vacation or be able to do something that they enjoyed before. What's your reason? Number 2, know your numbers. So try to figure out how much can you walk, how many steps can you take before you get short of breath, how much can you exert, or how much time can you spend on one machine before you get short of breath. This way you will have some tangible numbers that you're looking at and you can track your improvement. Now improvement comes slow. Be patient, persistent, and when you will see these small increments in your numbers, you can gauge your progress yourself. Number 3, start learning and applying breathing techniques so you can maximally utilize your lung function. Watch my other video to learn about 3 breathing techniques in COPD that can help you breathe better. This includes pursed lip breathing, diaphragmatic breathing, and using PEP Buddy for better breathing. Number 4, pulmonary rehab programs will provide you an opportunity to get comprehensive care, which is not only focused on lung function, but also on how you're feeling, how your muscles are gaining strength. You can also learn better lifestyle techniques, learn what to eat, what not to eat. Also, this is a good opportunity for you to try to quit smoking because you're in the right environment with the right professionals in the right setting. So think about your holistic care, not just your lung function. Number 5, enjoy your journey. This is a step you are taking for your self-improvement. You will probably have good days and bad days, but the journey itself is enjoyable. Make new friends. There are people around you who are going through the similar challenges. So maybe you can help them and they can help you. I hope these tips will help you thrive in your pulmonary rehab program, and I want to remind you that don't forget small wins and small successes and celebrate them. Gain better control of your breathing through PEP Buddy, your personal breathing coach.